What is up, my buttery biscuits? So in today's video, it's something that I actually didn't want to do a video on because I wanted to wait for more details to come out. However, you guys, I went live the past 2 days and you guys are like asking me to talk about it, so I figured I would talk about it because, you know, everyone has some questions and some things to talk about and things like that. This whole entire situation is speculating at this point. There's really no factual facts on what's going on right now, but some things were brought to light and I was actually planning on making a video before this anyway, so it's just ironic the timing of everything. So we're gonna go ahead and get into that in the later of the video, discussing Jeffree Star and why is he being absent on social media, which is something big, especially coming for Jeffree because he does live his life on the internet. He's literally on Snapchat, IG stories like every single day. So it is kind of a little weird, and some things were brought up about his relationship, and I want to get into my opinions about that as well too. But just letting you guys know, it's literally all speculation. There is nothing factual about this whatsoever, so just keep that in mind. Everyone is just, it's kind of like hearsay at this point and nothing's factual. So we're gonna get into that towards the end of the video. I just wanted to take a moment to discuss one thing. It's been brought to my attention, and you guys, I just want to be like straight up with you guys and fully transparent. It's been brought to my attention that, you know, there's some complaints about how many ads I put on my video. And this is the thing that I wanted to discuss about this. To me, I guess maybe because I'm trying to like make a career out of this, I understand it. So I feel like my mind is more open to it. So when I watch other people's videos and there's like, you know, 8 ads on a video, I don't really trip about it because I'm working within the same field. But I just want to let you guys know this and keep this in mind too, because I don't understand, like, nobody really complains about commercials in TV shows. And you have a 30-minute TV show and normally there's 5 minutes worth of commercials in a TV show, and in a 20-minute video that may have, you know, let's say 5 to 8 ads, 9 times out of 10 you're only going to get 3 pop-up ads, and the rest are going to be banners, or they're going to be the little click down below things like that. And when the pop-up ads do come in, they're normally 5 seconds and you could skip them, you know. So let's say, for example, if there was 5 pop-up ads in a 20-minute video, that's technically only 25 seconds of ads for a 20-minute video. And I just want to be really real with you guys, like straight up. I talked to you guys about this before on my live. If I did have more sponsorships, then I definitely like some sponsorships at all, even because I literally don't have any. If I had more sponsorships, then I would put less ads on my video. However, I just don't have it like that right now. Unfortunately, there's just no sponsors that I really want to work for. There's companies hitting me up to do sponsorships for stickers, like stickers. I feel so stupid doing a sponsorship with a sticker company. Like, what am I gonna do with stickers? Like, stick them all over my bald potato head? Like, what am I gonna do with that? You know what I mean? So it's kind of like I don't really want to do a sponsorship for just random things. Like, I wanted to do for something that I actually would use. That way I feel like it's a little bit more authentic. So in the meantime, I am going to continue putting, you know, a decent amount of ads on my video, and I do apologize for that. And I totally know how that could be annoying because you're in the middle of the video and something big's about to happen, or you're about to say something, like you're getting into the cheese man, you're like and then bam, ad. I get it, it's annoying, but at the same time too, I'm trying to make this my career and I'm trying to make money from it, obviously, because I can't, you know, try to have a career without getting paid. That just doesn't make any sense, right? So I just wanted to apologize for that, and I hope that you guys have some sort of understanding to it. I totally get it. I know it's annoying, and I think that one day in the future, as my channel grows, that I will be able to push back on so many ads, you know, and hopefully maybe only have 3 or 4 ads throughout the whole video, which I think is a pretty darn fair amount of ads. In the meantime, yes, there is a lot of ads on the video, and I do apologize for that, but you have to put so many ads on the video just to get a decent pay. So I apologize for that, you guys. I really am sorry, but I just wanted to let you guys know that, talk about it on video, because I know a lot of you guys don't go on my live videos, so you guys don't know the discussions that are going on there. But yes, now that I got that off of my chest, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so that way you guys get notified when I upload a new video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you can. I would really appreciate that, and let's go ahead and jump into the cheese man. Alright, you guys, so now, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is literally all speculation, but the one thing that I find so ironic about everything is I was actually looking on Trendmood's page. I'm always looking on Trendmood's page for like new you know, makeup that's coming out, and like I have to be doing my anti-haul soon, so when I go to do my anti-hauls, I mainly look at Trendmood's page, right? Well, I noticed a couple days ago, actually, I took a screenshot of it, and I was gonna tell you guys, and it was so ironic. We were discussing this in my live chat that whenever Jeffree Star is coming out with a new collection, he tends to create some type of drama, and that has nothing to do with his absence on social media. I want to let you guys know that right off the bat. Like, literally, I'm not saying he's creating this drama to you know, to sell his new collection that's going to be coming out next month or anything like that. Not at all, because this screenshot that I took was actually from 1 week ago, Saturday, and you guys can actually go to Trend Mood's page to actually see it. It's a Pinky Rose and Riley Rose Cosmetics palette, right? And he writes on there, Claire's makeup part 2, question mark, no thanks. And I was just kind of like, I always notice that whenever he's coming out with something soon, and you guys know that pretty soon he's going to be releasing Blood Sugar 3, which is like the, little sister to Blue Blood and, oh my gosh, what is the other one? Jesus Lord, the burgundy one. I can't, Blood Sugar and Blue Blood, and then Blood Sugar 3 is going to be coming out soon, okay? So I was just kind of like, why does he feel the need to go onto somebody's page, you know? And I will say, like, look, is he lying? No, he's not. Like, it really does look like Claire's makeup. I think that it looks cheap and tacky and things like that, but he doesn't like it when people go onto his page and talk crap about his products, you know what I'm saying? So the fact that he actually goes onto Trend Mood's page, which is a complete public page who posts about different palettes and things like this, where Pinky Rose and Riley Rose are obviously going to see this, and I'm just kind of like, I don't know, I thought it was a little bit shady, but he's a very smart businessman, and he knows how to get people talking about him right before the launch of a collection. And if you guys pay attention to his track record, every single time that he is going to come out with a collection, he kind of stirs the pot somewhere, you know? And I was thinking about making a video about that, and then he completely just went absent. And now things are being brought out that he actually changed the title in his IG bio and in his Twitter bio. And to me, it's so crazy that E! News is commenting on it, Clever News, like there's literally all these actual news sites that are like speculating what's going on. And you guys did ask me actually yesterday on a live video, I personally think it's rude to speculate about somebody's relationship, and I feel like it's a little bit of a gray area to question, because in my personal opinion, I feel like if you live your life online, then people are going to ask, people are going to speculate, people are going to wonder. It's only natural. But I do think when people continuously try to pry into someone's relationship, then that's where things get a little annoying, you know? It's totally normal to be like, hey, are you and Nate doing okay? And leave it at that, but don't just keep on hounding. This whole entire thing, as you guys know, this is like old news at this point. The masterclass taking part in the UK, well, actually other parts of the UK as well too, or Europe, my bad, have been canceled. And I think that this whole situation kind of sucks, because this is the second time now having to cancel these master classes with Mitchell. And throughout this whole thing, it just makes me wonder, because when I first initially heard about the cancellation and everyone started speculating about his relationship, him, you know, breaking up with Nate, I was just kind of like, you know what? I feel like Jeffree is such a hard worker, and you can see that. You can see that in his collections, you can see that in his work, that I don't feel like a breakup would stop him from going on tour. I kind of felt like he would be like, oh, well, this is my job. I gotta, you know, be sad on the road, and I'm gonna go hit the road. And I was thinking, okay, maybe it was something with his mom, but as you guys know, just in case you guys weren't on my live video when you guys were asking me about his mom, I was like, I really do not want to speculate about that, because if she's not doing well health-wise, I don't even like that type of energy being put out there that something may have happened. So I do feel like in this case, though, I understand why people are speculating about the relationship, you know? He goes and he switches his bio, he takes off from there, wifey to Nate, and now those are gone on his IG bio and on his Twitter bio. And then just in case you guys didn't see, actually yesterday he tweeted out, "Dear God, take the pain away," and he deleted it right away. And this to me, I was just kind of like, I wonder why he deleted it. That means that he wants to reach out to people, he wants to let people know what's up, but he doesn't want to spill all the beans, you know? Or maybe I literally just at this point don't know what it is. I know everyone is going to the drama channels and seeking answers on why has he been gone. It's literally been on Twitter, it's been 6 days since he's been gone from Twitter, and to me that is a big deal for Jeffree because he lives his life online. He's online every single day. But I do think in this time, it's obviously something serious, whether it be his relationship with Nate. They've been together for 5 years, super long time. Obviously, you can tell that they kind of had plans to spend their life together, right? So if that breakup did happen, of course, that would be devastating to him. And then he was just regaining connection with his mom. His mom and his relationship has been very not really there, been kind of absent, you know, and I guess that she was going to be moving in. And he said that her health wasn't doing well, so if something bad happened with her health, you know, just the whole situation is just really, really bad. And I think at this time, none of us have factual evidence. I've waited these past 6 days to actually make the video, so I know that this is all old news at this point. But I would say to everybody, just hold on. I feel like Jeffree is a open book, and I feel like he will let you know what happened, whether it be with his mom, whether it be with Nate. I don't know. In my personal opinion, because I know everyone wants my opinion on this, in my personal opinion, I would have to say at this point, I do personally feel like it has to do something with Nate, because why would he take that off of his bio? You know, he took it off of IG, took it off of Twitter. It no longer says wifey of Nate, and that's what, like, even Drama Alert was talking about it as well too. All these different news sites were bringing that up. That's a key point in this. And other people were saying, though, on my live, I don't know if this is true. I've never paid attention to his bio. Other people were saying that he made this change a while ago, and then when he did the house tour, he was saying my house instead of our house, which I didn't even catch that either. So I was just kind of like, I don't know. Anyways, you guys, this whole entire thing, once again, is speculation. None of us have factual evidence on everything, but whatever he's going through, obviously at this time, just send him positive vibes. Don't, in my personal opinion, please don't start thinking bad about his mom, because I'm the type of person that I feel like if you put that energy out there, it's going to happen. So just keep the vibes positive, send in positive vibes, don't pry, don't bug, but I think it is totally normal to speculate and ask a question and wonder, you know, just out of curiosity, because you're so used to living your life with this person. It becomes a part of your daily life, and there's a lot of people out there who think it's so stupid to have a internet connection with like an internet celebrity or a, you know, an internet personality, and I'm just kind of like, I don't think it's stupid. I feel like it's part of my daily routine. When I wake up in the morning, I go on Snapchat and I watch Jeffree's Snapchats, or, you know, like other people, like I really like Celeste Rose. Like I always look at her Snapchat story. Like it's just part of our daily routine to do that. You know what I mean? And I don't think that there's anything weird about that. I feel like it's totally normal in this day and age, living in the digital age. So yes, anyways, I wish that I did have a little bit more receipts for you, but there's literally no factual evidence at this point of whether it be his mom or whether it be a breakup with Nate. But you guys, just don't like pry. You know, it's totally normal to ask questions. It's totally normal to speculate and wonder, but just don't pry, because that gets annoying. And I think at this time he just needs positive vibes, because whatever he's going through has to be really, really deep. Like, this guy lives his life online every single day, and to take away 6 days and not say nothing, it's something deep. So anyways, you guys, that is all I have to say on this situation. I'm sorry I don't have any more for you guys, but I'll make a follow-up video as soon as we know some more details on this. Just send positive vibes his way. He can really, really use them right now. Obviously, this is something super deep. So anyways, you guys, I'll let you guys know with any further details as they come, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.